What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O'Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, welcome to another video. Good morning to you guys, wherever you are in the world, right? Good evening, good morning, okay? Guys, I'm super pumped and super excited as always. I'm sitting here, guys, working on so many different things. I know you guys probably see me sometimes in my videos and be like, what is he doing? Where is he going? But there is a method to my madness, guys, and I'm just very, very happy and very grateful to be an internet marketer. Okay, to be a person in a place where I've learned the necessary skills and the skill set to be able to go out and do what I like to call create my own economy. And so, guys, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money online. Okay, how to make money on the internet. Okay, very I complicated this process for a very, 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 very long time, guys, and I just refuse to believe it could be as simple as setting up your own capture page, having a relatively high converting offer, sending traffic to that capture page, which redirects to a landing page or sales presentation or VSL, what we like to call a video sales letter, and just automating that entire process, guys, through automation. I just couldn't believe it could be that simple. And so I veered off the road less traveled because I wanted to find out and do things in another way. Now, granted, I am a person who definitely does things in my own way. And you guys, if you are online and you've been online for a little while, you'll develop your own personal signature just in terms of the way that you do things. But today, guys, one of the very first things, when we talk about how to make money online, how to make money from, on the internet, working from home, um, to me, I'm an email marketer, and for me, that process, all it really is, guys, I'm an email marketer. Okay, just to simplify it, I'm an email marketer. And if you guys have been on my YouTube video channel, and for you guys who are on my list, you see what I send you guys on a regular basis. I'm always sending you guys emails. Now, you guys who are on my list, you just see me on YouTube and you just see me doing things, and they don't necessarily, may not seem congruent necessarily, but my list see these things and they understand what it is I'm doing, which is another great thing about email marketing. But anyway, guys, before I get off track, because I will, I really will. Let's talk about that process and some of the things I've just been able to do. Started back in 2013, 14, I want to say 2000, late 2013, 2014. I started, that's where my journey began. And I spent countless thousands of dollars. You guys know my story. Jumping from one business opportunity and program to another, trying to figure out why I wasn't getting the results that I thought I should be getting. And ultimately immersing myself in internet marketing and just deciding that I was going to quit and that I was going to find the key to unlock the doors to make internet marketing work for me. So anyway, guys, I set out and started creating my own capture page. That was the very first thing I started doing, setting up my own sales systems, marketing funnels, capture pages, again, landers, you name it, guys. I just started doing it, just started testing all kinds of things out, learning as I went. Then ultimately, I teamed up with some really smart internet marketers, got myself a couple of coaches and some mentors that I started following, listening to, watching what they were doing. And ultimately, guys, fast forward, was able to get to a place where a milestone where I had my first $6,000 day in sales and my best month to date, $10,000 in sales. And so as I continue to immerse myself in internet marketing, I'm just sticking to the basics, guys. And all that is simple capture page creation, redirecting to, again, a high converting offer, hopefully a product and a service or even a business opportunity, and following up with your list as you start to build it. Okay, that's email marketing in a nutshell. So today I pulled up just a few pages to show you some of the guys. I just kind of went back in looked at some of the things I've been able to do and watched how I've kind of progressed over the years. And I'm going to show you guys a few of those examples, and then I'm going to go show you guys how you can sort of get around the learning curve that I actually had to go through, and how you guys can start teaching yourself these things right now today, and particularly how you guys can really dial into an automated marketing system, again, that's going to give you all the tools that you need to do, to build your own capture pages and to build your own list and get as creative as you like, but also an automated marketing system that will go out and show you how to market these types of tools and resources to others and earn a decent income doing it at the same time. So anyway, guys, let's dive in and watch some of these pages that I created. Just having a lot of fun, right? Went in, started creating simple capture pages, again, that just redirect to my particular products and services. And then, guys, um, letting my automated marketing systems and sales funnels go to work for me. Okay, it's just that simple, guys. It's really not as complicated as a lot of people like to make it seem. I've built sites where I've provided training, for instance, and solo ad sources, things of that sort, right? To send to my list. The things that I've done, guys, I can't show you. It would just be too much to try to show you all the different capture pages I built, all the landing pages, all the sales funnels. Uh, but ultimately, I got into doing some a mindset training and marketing that that I would send to my list, which is a great way to create rapport with your list as you start to build it. So anyway, these was just some of the things I started to do, guys. And of course, me being the person that I am, sometimes I got this overactive energy. I get in this creative mode, and I'll spend weeks on end just creating capture pages and different marketing and sales funnels. And you guys are gonna get to see some of those new sales funnels that I'm actually working on, right? Because I've dialed it down to just a few simple opportunities that I promote now, guys, because I don't have to do a whole bunch of stuff. You know what I mean? Just, the key to internet marketing, guys, is really staying focused and just picking one or a couple of things to market and then committing to the particular process. That process being creating your own capture pages, redirecting those capture pages to VSL, video sales letters, that do the selling, explaining, and telling for you, all on automation. Now, let me tell you guys, let me show you guys where this process starts for me, guys. It starts for me with the Power Lead system. That's where this whole process started for me. That's when I got involved with Lindsay Moore. She was my sponsor, and I got inside here. I was lost. I was like a deer in headlights. Didn't know where to go. Didn't know what to do. Right. I didn't take the time to go inside the training, because they have the training inside here, guys, is all you need. Okay, trust me, I didn't take advantage of that. I wanted to go outside the training, start doing some other things, but the training that you have inside here is all you need. Now, I partnered in the past with different internet marketers, and so just recently, guys, I've partnered with Tim. And Tim just put together what I think probably is the simplest and easiest platform for getting inside the Power Lead system, and watching how this actually uh, how the Power Lead system works, and how you guys can get in here and start doing the type of thing that I just kind of went over with you. Creating your own capture pages, creating your own landing pages, your own sales funnels, your own marketing systems. Okay, you're gonna be able to have your own contact management inside here, where you're able to start building your lists, multiple lists if you want. But I don't want you guys to think about multiple lists right now. I just want you to think about making money on the internet and starting where that process begins, guys. And since I wouldn't say we're still in beta testing mode right now, but probably technically we are. But this is relatively a new system that Tim's just put together, and I like it because of its simplicity. It's very simple. It's basically 4 steps. We're going to show you how to go inside and set up the Power Lead system, number one. And once you're all set up, guys, you're going to be able to go out and create your own capture pages, your own sales funnels, and things of that nature. Just give yourself a chance to get in here and learn those basics, okay? Those core bare essentials, just in terms of getting yourself set up. Because what happens here, once you're all set up, well, Tim's going to just walk you through setting up the Power Lead system, and we're going to give you a marketing system that's going to allow you to go out and actually market and promote the same system that you're going to have instant access to right now. And remember, at the same time, you're going to have all these tools to start doing what you want. And see, what I did, guys, let me say this before I get up. What I did was I got ahead of myself, and instead of kind of learning the basics, I kind of tried to get out in front of myself. And then I had to come back. I had to come back to front. I had to come back and start looking at that core foundation. And again, that's building simple capture pages, right? Redirecting and letting them go and do the work for you. And we do that most often through paid traffic and paid advertising. Although there's some free training, you guys will have instant access inside of this platform as well. So I'm just letting you guys know that this is where it all began for me. We're going to talk about the compensation plan inside of this particular structure. And I would say probably within the next 25, 35, 45 minutes, you could actually have this particular marketing system, this done for you marketing systems inside of the Internet Lifestyle Pros, all set up for you. And we're going to go a step further, guys. Once you're all in and you become one of our members and you align yourselves with us, we're going to take you to our Facebook group. We call it the Lifestyle Crew. You guys will be able to get inside there. You guys will get to see what we're doing inside the Facebook group. It's a private Facebook group. The only way you can get in, guys, is to be a member of the Internet Lifestyle Network, right? The Internet Lifestyle Pros. Now, once you're inside, guys, I'm going to go home real quick. I'm going to show you guys. You're going to have everything that it is you need. Tim's actually going to walk you through the entire process in terms of getting set up. So it's as simple as that. Right here, once you're inside, you'll be able to go here to my system setup. You would click that button. You will be redirected to this particular page. Right? Very, very explosive, by the way. And Tim's going to come on. He's going to talk to you guys about. Let me see if he's going to come. He should be popping up in a second. He'll be talking a little bit in a minute.
So you're ready to start living the internet lifestyle.
Anyway, Tim's going to walk you through again the entire process of setting this thing up. So when we talk about expanding, just our knowledge, that our knowledge base, guys, it's important that you tap into the type of training that you need, and by doing that, you're going to develop a skill set that nobody can take away from you. And when you have that skill set, you can go out here, guys, and you can start doing this type of thing. You can start creating your own capture pages, your own sales pages, video sales pages, sales funnels, you name it, guys. You're going to be able to do it, but you have to give yourself an opportunity to tap into, again, that skill set that you're going to need to start doing it. So I'm going to leave the link. Let me go back one page, guys, and show you what the link looks like, if I can find it. Okay, because once you have your account, guys, I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to my account. And you can see, guys, I'm already all set up inside of here. And once you guys are set up, you're going to have a link that looks like this, guys, okay? You're going to be afforded an opportunity to get a link that looks exactly like this one. And when we talk about automation, guys, it just doesn't get any simpler than that. We're going to provide you with your own capture page that looks exactly like this. It's going to be cookie to you throughout the system, so that there are 3 income streams built inside of this particular marketing system, and you guys will have an opportunity to have 3 income streams working for you. So this particular page, let's get back. Let me get out of here. Let me get out of here. Don't need this. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay, I got so many pages open, guys. Just bear with me for a second. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to leave this page. You guys will be able to access right below this video. Okay, so get in here, guys, and get yourself, at least tap into this training, guys. There are thousands of dollars worth of free training inside of this particular platform. And Tim and Corinne, they both are gonna go through here, guys. And I mean, when I tell you guys that it's gonna be well worth the $1 you're going to spend to unlock this training, it really will be. And once you You're inside, guys. You're inside. You can learn a lot more internet marketing training, a lot more about internet marketing, and you'll understand that it's not half as complicated as I made it seem in the very beginning. I'm very happy, very super pumped up and super excited about this particular platform for the simple fact that I use it to do everything that it is I do. It's centered around this particular platform. You guys know that I have Get Response as an autoresponder, which is essential to email marketing, and you guys get to learn a lot more about all of those things. So again, guys, I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. Um, in this particular video here, I think I was talking about 6 marketing tips or something, right? But anyway, I'm going to sign out, guys, and you guys go ahead, click the link below this video, get inside the Internet Lifestyle Network, guys. Check it out. Give yourself an unfair advantage, okay, in terms of being able, again, to position yourself to acquire a skill set that no one can take away from you. And at the same time, guys, you'll have all the necessary tools, the marketing training inside of both the Power Lead system, the Internet Lifestyle Pros, our official Facebook group with the Power Lead system. It's just no end to what you're going to be able to tap into in terms of learning the things that you need and laying that foundation for making money online, making money on the internet, and working from home. As always, guys, this is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.